After watching growth stocks soar for the past 12 years, you're probably just itching to buy an electric utility stock, right? While the idea might sound laughable, don't discount NextEra Energy, which has delivered a positive total return to shareholders in 19 of the past 20 years. Most electric utilities grow at a low single-digit rate, but NextEra Energy has been consistently averaging high single-digit growth as a result of its aggressive investments in renewable energy. No utility in the country is currently generating more capacity from wind or solar than NextEra is, and this is unlikely to change anytime soon, with the company investing an average of $50 billion to $55 billion in new infrastructure projects between 2020 and 2022. It's an especially smart investment with lending rates at historic lows. Meanwhile, the company also benefits from the cash flow transparency of its traditional utility operations, i.e., those not powered by renewable energy. Since this traditional segment is regulated by state utility commissions, it means no exposure to potentially volatile wholesale electricity pricing. If you are thinking about investing currently in the stock market, then NextEra Energy is definitely a company you should look at. Cheers.